We will be talking about ECU and it is expected for this year's exams. The role of ECU, because there has been a lot of talk about this. Okay, so ECO, first of all, Intergovernmental Regional Organization, established 1985 in Tehran, Iran, Pakistan, and Turkey. And the main purpose, as it is evident by the name as well, to improve development and provide trade and investment opportunities. So the thing that we have to note about is that it is a successor of RCD, which was established in 1964 for socio-economic development, trade, transportation, communication, railway, etc. Okay, so in 1992 this was expanded. It has the different members in it now: Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Now the 2017 summit was held in Islamabad, Silver Jubilee, and this was marked as a new era of cooperation. Now ECO deals with what? First of all, energy, trade, and drug control. Main objectives are as enumerated. These are sustainable economic development, transport and communication, and utilization of ECO region material resource for agriculture and industries. Now it has a council of ministries and council of permanent representation, regional planning council, and secretariat. Just like any other organization, Pakistan and ECO. This is the topic that is of real concern nowadays. The 13th ECO Summit 2017, Connectivity for Regional Prosperity, and the ECO Vision of 2025. It clearly states that CPEC will act as a catalyst for the development of the entire region, people to people exchange. Gwadar Port, Pakistan access to Central Asian countries, so the Gwadar Port is the next big thing. After the suspension of SAR, ECO summit importance have increased many folds, and regional consensus is that Pakistan is important for the sustainable regional security and elimination of terrorist networks in Afghanistan. Moreover, if we look at it in detail, we would come to know that it has its own significance, which cannot be denied. And the most important factor is this, that the establishment of the vision of 2025 CPEC, because most people are not aware of it, and that it will be helpful for connecting Pakistan to the Central Asian countries. Okay, so this is the end of this